Hi friends, here's how to find the events and navigate the website. So here's the menu and here's the events. Feel free to click around on the menu. There's all the upcoming events. You can also start for free if you're not a member yet, or share it with your friends. If you want to come to the live trainings, click this button and it will lead you to the Zoom registration. I'll show you. And here are the other events: the upcoming Authors AI book writing workshop. The next one is on the 19th of April. The book publishing workshop, the next one on the 26th of April. And coming soon will be many more events. If you are a pro member of the AI Wellness Universe and would like to create an event, have an event that you want us to share, that is part of your pro membership. If you're not a pro member, please ask us how to upgrade. All right, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.